What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing follow-ups to my other tutorial videos. It's not really a tutorial, it's just more to show you that you can use natural lighting if you don't have any like normal lighting setups. I have my other camera recording over there. You can't see it, it's out of frame, but I will add that in, showing you that something as simple as a tripod and your phone and using this lav mic that I have connected to me, which is not even wireless. It's got a cable, but it goes super far, so I can actually, even with the lav mic, you know, I can go super far with it. I can even keep going. I've got about a 10-foot long one, so I could even keep it going. I can keep going. So that's about the max of it with its pulled, and you probably can now see like the cable, so you wouldn't, this is not an ideal shooting situation. But what I'm trying to prove is something like this $20 mic just upgrades my audio so that I can stand wherever I want and it sounds great. If I was not using the audio from this mic, it would sound like I was a little bit far from the phone, even though I'm only about 3 feet away from it. Something as simple as this cheap lav mic, which I've already showed in other videos, can just upgrade your audio. So if you're just working on a budget and you don't want to spend money on the lights, the one that I use is a $20 light from Walmart that I just bought a diffuser little box for, and I use that for most of my videos, but I really like the way the natural light's looking today, so I decided to shoot with my phone. I'm using my other camera over here to prove that all I'm using is my phone, a lav mic, and the natural lighting from outside, and it looks great. So I'm not gonna make this video super long because I don't think that, you know, there's much explanation to this. It's just basically pull your phone out, set it up in front of your window, and talk like this. And it just looks a lot better than, you know, using like the light from your lamps or maybe just no lighting at all. I really hope that this video has helped motivate you and show you that you don't need to be spending money to be making videos and just upgrading your quality just a little bit. You know, it's all about trying. If you're trying to add a little bit of lighting, if you're trying to make your sound a little bit better, then you're gonna notice it and people are gonna notice it, and you're gonna learn from those things as well. You're gonna know what light works best, you're gonna know what time of day the lighting is best, and you're gonna start planning accordingly. And I just really hope that this can help motivate you into just upgrading your videos just a little bit more. So if this video has helped you out, please hit that like button, leave a comment if you have anything to add, or if you think that this video can help anyone else out, go ahead and share it as well. And then also, if you like daily motivational podcast videos, I shoot Monday through Friday, daily motivational podcast videos, sometimes vlogs, just telling stories from my life. Really just trying to share anything that I think can help people out. So if that sounds good to you, then please subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.